Welcome to the Professor English podcast, where we don't just talk about English, we practice English. My name is Ryan, and I am your host. Today, we are going to practice using the expression, "it boils down to something," which means this is the only important thing. Nothing can happen without this. Nothing else matters but this one thing. As usual, instead of giving you long explanations, let's just jump right in and practice. If you are not sure how to use it, don't worry. After we practice using it together, you will be much more comfortable with this phrase. Before we begin, I just want to remind you that if you prefer some visual help with this exercise, you can always see the video version on my YouTube channel, Professor English ESL Class. Now, let's dive in and start practicing English. Here is a situation. Lucy wants to go on a world cruise. It is her dream. She is afraid she will never take her dream cruise. Let's make a why can't take dream cruise question. Why can't Lucy take dream cruise? Why can't Lucy take her dream cruise? Why can't she? Why can't she take? Why can't she take her dream cruise? Take her, take her, take her. Why can't she take her dream cruise? Here is the reason. She can't do it. She cannot do it. She can't do it without money. She doesn't have enough money. She can't take her dream cruise because she can't do it without money, and she doesn't have money. Can you try to say that? Can you try to repeat that? She can't do it without money. She doesn't have money. She can't take her dream cruise because she can't do it without money. She doesn't have money. Now, instead of saying all of that, we can use boil down to. It boils down to money. That means money is the only thing that matters. It's the only important thing. You can't do it unless you have money. She can't take her dream cruise because it boils down to money. She can't take her dream cruise. She can't take her dream cruise because it boils down to money. All right, fantastic job. Let's try another example. John applied for a job, but he didn't get it. He is smart, but he doesn't have experience. Let's make a why not get job question. Why not get job? Why not he get job? Why didn't he? 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 Why didn't he get? Why didn't he get? Why didn't he get the job? Why didn't he get the job? The reason is because they were only hiring people with experience. John didn't have experience. He didn't get the job because they were only hiring people with experience. We don't have to say all of that. We can say boil down. It boils down to experience. He didn't get the job because it boiled down to experience. Using the past. It boiled down to experience. He didn't get the job because it boiled down to experience. He didn't get the job because it boiled down to experience. All right, you're doing a super duper job. Let's try another example. But before we do, I just want to remind you that if you find these exercises helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, Professor English ESL Class, so that you won't miss the next lesson. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, please take a moment to press the like button. It helps my channel so much and lets me know that you want to see more fluency and listening comprehension exercises just like this one. Now, let's keep practicing English. Here is another situation. Lisa was trying to attract more clients, but she was new to this city. And because no one knew her, no one trusted her, it was very difficult for her to find new clients. Let's make a why not question. Why didn't she? Why didn't she? Why didn't she get new clients? Here is the reason. She didn't know anyone in this new city, and no one trusted her because they didn't know her. She didn't get new clients because she didn't know anyone in the city, so no one trusted her because they didn't know her. That's very long. We don't need it to be that long. We can say it boiled down to who she knew. It boiled down to who she knew. That was the one important thing that didn't happen. She didn't get new clients because it boiled down to who she knew. She didn't get new clients because it boiled down to who she knew. She didn't get new clients because it boiled down to who she knew. All right, amazing job. Let's try one more. Mark was upset because he didn't get the promotion that he was hoping for. His boss told him he wasn't working hard enough. Let's make a why not get the promotion question. Why didn't he? 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 Why didn't he get the promotion? Why didn't he get the promotion? Here is the reason. He didn't work hard enough. He didn't work hard enough. He didn't get the promotion because he didn't work hard enough. That was the only thing that mattered, his hard work, and it wasn't enough. We can use boil down here. It boiled down to hard work. It boiled down to hard work. He didn't get the promotion because it boiled down to hard work. He didn't get the promotion because it boiled down to hard work. All right, you did an amazing job today, and you learned some fantastic English. Congratulations! I knew you could do it. Remember that practice makes perfect, so you should repeat this exercise several times, not just so that you can remember how to use the verb it boils down to, but also to improve your listening and your speaking skills. It's been really fun practicing English with you today, and I hope to see you again real soon. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next video with more interesting words and phrases.